How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great today. Really good, thank you.
I'm glad you're doing that well. How many days after the surgery?
So I had my surgery last Tuesday, so that's pretty much a week and a day.
Okay, and he did replace one level of total disc replacement in your neck?
Yes.
Okay.
And it was, the pain I had before was like ridiculous. I have young kids, I have a family, I was in bed with headaches every other day. It was impacting my entire life. I've been seeing doctors for years now. When I saw Dr. Brusovanik, it was like enlightening. He was so compassionate, so caring, so concerned for my well-being, but my situation, not just the fact that I was in pain, but how this was affecting my entire life. And I knew I was in good hands. He's not just knowledgeable, but when he takes you on as a patient, he's amazing. Not just Dr. Brusovanik, but yourself, the entire team here are
Thank you.
amazing. When I called you on Sunday, because I had a little bit of pain and I was worried, I just wanted to check everything was fine. You called me back within 10 minutes, then Jessica called me back another 15 minutes. He was on the phone, like the way this team operates, and I hate to call it customer service in this environment, but the level of service and the care you guys have is unbelievable. It's beyond.
Thank you.
Beyond.
Thank you. I'm glad you're doing that well, and we will see you in 3 weeks.
Thank you so much.